Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Meross app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Meross is a smart home app designed to control a variety of Meross smart devices, including plugs, light switches, garage door openers, and smart bulbs. The app allows users to remotely control their devices, set schedules, monitor status, and create scenes that automate multiple devices together. It also supports voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is clean, with a dashboard that gives users quick access to their connected devices. Setup is generally fast, especially when using a stable Wi-Fi network. Many users find the scheduling and automation features helpful for energy saving and convenience. Integration with voice assistants is smooth and reliable for most users. However, the app does have some limitations. Several users report occasional disconnections or failure to detect devices, particularly after firmware updates. Others note that the app may take a few seconds to sync changes or